Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Kawaii Among Us character, an Among Us crewmate. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker, and I'm going to be using this. It's just regular printing paper, and that is it. So really simple, really easy. You're going to love it. And also, if you just want to watch, you can watch. You don't have to do it, but I am going to do it step by step for anybody that wants to learn with me. I do encourage you to hit the subscribe button if you do like this kind of thing, if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials on cute stuff, on cartoons, on Pokemon, on Among Us, like Fortnite, anything like that, you know, I'm going to be doing them 3 times a day. I'm really doing a lot, but you have to remember to hit the bell notification. It's not going to overwhelm your feed. It's probably just going to tell you about every 5th video I post. So, that's the spiel. Curve line over here for the Crewmate lens. Curve line down. Curve line down. This is for the, again, the Crewmate lens, right? The visor of that Crewmate. Curve line here because I want it to have like this cute eye look. So it's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna have more of like a crescent moon shape downward. Curve over here for the top of the forehead. Curve over there for the top of the head. Also, Among Us is just like one of my favorite games, so like it's just kind of a good thing to do, you know. This channel has a lot of Among Us videos. I draw one almost every day, along with some of the other stuff. But it's pretty chill just to kind of draw this stuff all the time. I like it. Hopefully you do too. Curve straight down. Not even curve, it's more of a straight line down. Da-da-da. There's going to be a little bit of a difference. I'm going to draw a hand on here in this area so that it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a peace sign hand. All right, so it can be anywhere in this vicinity, like a backwards C shape. Curve around that, like so. I'm going to pull a straight line back up there. That's going to be one finger. Curve for the top tip of that finger. Pulling down. Oh. Then I'm going to pull up again for the other finger. It's going to be a little bit longer. It could be a little bit shorter. Doesn't matter. Pull down. Then I'm going to draw the folded up fingers here. Very simple shapes. The thing is, you got to keep in a simple shape zone because, I mean, all of this stuff is simple, so you really want to... I'm moving my action figures here. You want to see my action figure? Here. Ah! But, yeah. If anybody can guess who that is, I'll say hi to you. Just kidding, I'll say hi to everybody. Curve down here. But yeah, simple shapes is really the key to drawing all these characters, or any character you want, in fact. So I'm going to kind of keep saying that. Oh, I forgot the rest of the hand down here. Because their hands are pretty much floating, you know, hands. I'm going to draw, like, think about that line going straight down, and it's going to come out the bottom here. So you want to catch the back end of that down, like so. Like so. Curve along the bottom here. For the bottom of the foot, curve there, pulling up, curve right here for the bottom of the body, kind of standing heroically. I'm going to draw the other hand as well, doing a peace sign. So I'm going to draw a curve on this side. It doesn't really matter where, but I'm just kind of doing that. I'm gonna draw like a C shape right here for the finger. Curve down. That's gonna be the bottom of this hand, like the bottom part. A line out here, down, in. Line there. That's gonna be kind of the 2 fingers there at the edge. And I'm gonna draw the 2 fingers sticking up in that peace sign. Up. out, down, kind of like a French fry shape. Just kind of, there you go. And the last thing I'm going to do, especially for this kawaii kind of design, is I'm going to actually draw a thicker line around the contour, meaning that it is what it is. Really, contour is just the outermost layer. Right? Just the outermost layer. While I'm doing that, I'll talk to you real quick. I've been doing this stuff on the channel for so long, and it's been about 6 years, but I've never done more drawings than I have in the last year. And that was due to the stuff with the pandemic. But in the meantime, I met a lot of nice people. I think everybody's amazingly nice. Again, I really encourage you, if what I do here is worth your time, please consider subscribing. It really does help the algorithm. Helps me keep track of people as well. I'm still trying to figure out a name to call people that follow me. I was thinking of the Easies or the Easy Drawings. Drawers. Easy Drawers. That's a good one, right? Maybe. Hey, Easy Drawers. I don't know. I'm going to put a little line over here. But the whole idea of that is I really want to create a community, and that's kind of like my big part about it. So don't forget to check out the website, easypictures2draw.com. I'm going to put a lot of stuff over there. And yeah, it's kind of mostly my thing there. So, but it's really fun to do all this stuff, and I feel very lucky to actually have met the people I've met through this site. But I am very kind of fixing the lines here. I am, and you can, if you want, you can throw out like a little like a couple of lines here. Something very like a symbol to kind of show like maybe I don't know. Just like something's going on, like, hey, how's it going? Hi, it's always fun to do that, and it's exciting to do that. Don't forget to check out my Skillshare. I have a tremendous amount of programs over there. None of them, they're totally different than my site here. Skillshare is more like these long, really just long programs, like an hour or something. But they're also for beginners. If that's your thing and you really want to up your drawing to a next level, go check that out. That's over at Skillshare.com. I mean, I'll put the link in the description. So that's pretty much it. I'm Enrique. You say hi to me. I'm very approachable. I'm very fun to talk with, I think. Just comment at me. I will talk to you another day, and you are amazing, okay? Just don't forget that. And talk to you very soon. See you later.